Lamb Spinach Pies. These delicious pies are made with spinach, leftover roast lamb and Pampas Puff Pastry. Start by preheating the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, then line baking trays with baking paper. Heat oil in a large frying pan over medium heat. Add leek and cook stirring for 5 minutes until tender. Then add garlic and spinach. Cook stirring for 2 to 3 minutes or until the spinach is wilted. Spoon the spinach mixture into a medium heatproof bowl and leave it to cool for about 10 minutes. Next, add the chopped lamb to the spinach mixture with ricotta, 2 lightly whisked eggs and some DUKKAH. Fold to combine. Cut sheets of Pampas Puff Pastry into 4 squares. Place half the squares on the lined trays. Divide the lamb mixture evenly among the squares on the trays, leaving a 2 cm border. Top with the remaining puff pastry squares. To seal the edges, press with a fork. Brush the pastry with more lightly whisked eggs and sprinkle with more DUKKAH. Use a small sharp knife to cut 3 slits in the top of each pie. Pop in the oven and bake for 25 minutes, turning the trays halfway through cooking until the pastry is golden and puffed. Serve the pies with tomato chutney. Enjoy these easy flaky pies with the family. For the full recipe, see the description below.